In this video, we will cover how to set a manual ground speed on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, select the correct operation, select the correct configuration, press the double-ended wrench, press Speed Input. Under Manual Speed, press the box next to Use Manual Speed. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the desired manual speed and press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. We have now covered how to set a manual ground speed on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.